Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a quintessentially Amritsari dish, the Nutri Kulcha. This is easily and widely available in all street corners in Amritsar. Today I'm going to show you this recipe with all the tips and tricks that is needed to make this perfectly just like the ones you get it in Amritsar. We'll be showing you all the different nuances of what makes it typical and essentially Amritsari. Before I begin, let me remind you to like, share and comment on this video and also to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. So let's begin. For this, I've taken 2 cups of water. I'm boiling it and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tea leaves. This is for the lovely brown color that this is going to give to a gravy. We won't be adding water, we will be adding tea water. Once it has come to a boil, strain it and keep it aside. For the gravy, I'm taking 10 garlic cloves, 1-inch piece of ginger, 3 green chilies for the spice, 2 tomatoes, chop it roughly and grind to a fine paste. Keep this paste aside. Now for the masala paste, I've taken 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania powder, half teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of amchur or dry mango powder, 2 tablespoons of anardana powder or dry pomegranate powder. This is easily available in powder form, but if not, you get the dried anardana. You can dry roast it and powder it and keep it at home. This works well in not only in Nutri, it also gives you lovely flavor for your chole. Now to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons soya sauce. Here I'm using the soya sauce I made at home. For the recipe you can check out my channel. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix everything well. Add a little more water to make this into a thick paste. Keep the masala paste aside. Now to cook the soya chunks. I've taken a pot of water in which I've added a teaspoon of salt. To this I'm adding 1.5 cups of soya chunks. I've used this mini variety. You can use the big variety too, but the mini variety gives better flavor to your gravy. Put in the soya chunks and let the water come to a good boil. Cook it for approximately 5 minutes. Once you see that your soya chunks are nicely cooked, drain it and squeeze out all the excess water. Now in a pan I've heated up 1 tablespoon of ghee. I'm going to fry the soya chunks till it's golden brown. This recipe ideally is best if you're making it with ghee or butter. Try and avoid the oil because the ghee and the butter gives a better flavor. Once the soya chunks have turned golden brown, I'm removing it and keeping it aside. Into the same pan I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera and 2 onions chopped very fine. Saute the onion on medium flame till golden brown. Once the onions have gone golden brown, add the tomato paste which we had made earlier. Mix well. Add salt to taste. And another secret ingredient to make your Nutri Kulcha dark brown is what we're going to add next. That is a generous pinch of baking soda. If you don't want to use baking soda, you can replace it with 1 teaspoon of amla powder or gooseberry powder, which is also easily available in the market. But I'm using a pinch of baking soda. Now slowly you can see that the gravy is going to turn brown. I'm going to cover this and let it cook till the oil separates. You can see the gravy is going even browner as we speak. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and the already made masala paste. Saute the masala well and then add in the soya chunks. Mix well. Cook the soya chunks in the masala on a low flame for 5 minutes. I'm then adding the tea water which we had made earlier and kept. Mix everything well. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes till the gravy thickens nicely. Your Nutri gravy is nearly done. Finally add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. A couple of green chilies slit. A few ginger juliennes or ginger cut into thin slices. A little bit of coriander leaves. And your gravy is done. Serve this hot with some tawa kulchas. The recipe for kulchas is already uploaded on my channel. You can check that out. Your super yummy Amritsari Nutri kulcha is ready. Serve it piping hot with a little bit of onions and a squeeze of lime. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.